Unleashing the potential of youth through skill development in the landscape of India's economic growth and development. The empowerment of the youth through skill development emerges as a pivotal strategy for fostering innovation, entrepreneurship, and sustainable progress. This in-depth exploration delves into the transformative power of skill development initiatives in shaping India's future and equipping the youth with the tools to thrive in a dynamic and competitive global environment. Skill development initiatives play a crucial role in harnessing the diverse talents and potential of India's youth population. By providing access to quality training, education, and vocational programs, youth can acquire the skills and knowledge needed to excel in various industries and contribute meaningfully to the country's economic growth. Development programs bridge the gap between academic learning and industry requirements, ensuring that youth are equipped with practical skills and competencies that align with the demands of the job market. By addressing the skills gap, these initiatives enhance employability, promote entrepreneurship, and drive innovation across sectors. The National Skill Development Mission, launched by the Government of India, aims to skill and upskill the country's workforce to meet the evolving needs of the economy. Through various schemes, training programs, and partnerships with industry stakeholders, the mission empowers youth with relevant skills and certifications to enhance their employability and career prospects. By collaborating with industry partners, educational institutions, and training providers, the campaign aims to create a skilled workforce capable of driving economic growth, innovation, and entrepreneurship in the country. Youth-enhanced employability skill development initiatives enhance the employability of India's youth by equipping them with industry-relevant skills, certifications, and practical experience. By fostering a culture of lifelong learning and skill upgradation, youth can adapt to changing market dynamics, secure gainful employment, and pursue rewarding career opportunities. By fostering an ecosystem that supports aspiring youth, these initiatives enable youth to launch startups, create jobs, and drive economic growth through their ventures. The empowerment of India's youth through skill development initiatives is instrumental in shaping a brighter, more prosperous future for the country. By investing in the skills, talents, and aspirations of the youth, India can unlock a wealth of potential, drive economic transformation, and position itself as a global leader in innovation, technology, and sustainable development. Empower the youth, unleash their potential through skill development, and pave the way for a future where India's youth are equipped to thrive, innovate, and lead with confidence and competence.